Everyone's obsessed with going viral. I'm obsessed with getting paid.
Being a broke artist sucks, yeah, it sucks, yeah, it sucks. Paint dreams.
If you're like me, who's tired of AI gurus promising easy money that never lives up to their hype, give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how I actually got paid by real companies to make AI ads for them. I disappeared for 3 months to figure out one thing. What kind of AI videos do brands pay the most for? And what I've found is a 30-second AI video is worth next to nothing. $50 if you're lucky. But an AI ad of the same length can go for up to 10 grand or more. Now, I don't charge nearly that high. Not yet anyway. But I know people who are pulling up to 50,000 a minute. Big brands already spend millions on traditional ads, so this isn't entirely mind-blowing. So this is how I did it. You start earning in the second step of the process. The workflow I'm about to show you works for anyone, no matter your experience. For those who've already made AI videos before, you'll still pick up a few tricks here, but feel free to skip ahead to the first client segment if you want to. For beginners though, I recommend you make the spec ad for practice. To start with, pick a niche. Could be energy drinks, luxury brands, skincare, anything that looks good or tells a short story. Pro tip, find a popular ad like on TV or online and recreate it with your own twist. Don't worry about how to make the video right now. I've built a plug-and-play workflow that lets anyone create premium quality AI ads fast, even for total beginners. Making money with AI video isn't as effortless as what some AI gurus claim, but I share real working strategies in my newsletter. You can sign up if this is something you need. Link will be provided below. Assuming your spec ad is done, use it to land your first paying client. That's exactly how I started 3 months ago. Now, if you didn't make a spec ad, there's another option I call the finger pointing method. Instead of showing your own work, you point to an existing ad. I've done this lately. There's another creator by the name of PJ Ace who's killing it in the AI ad space.
We're in Florida asking people what they put their money on!
By referencing ads from him, I've landed projects I probably wouldn't have had otherwise, since those styles better match certain brands, not mine. Now, fair warning, the reason I do this is because I can actually deliver what I reference. Be careful not to bite more than you can chew. To find clients, just ask ChatGPT for companies in your niche, or do a quick Google search. List them all down. Now, how do you turn those names into paying clients? I use 2 methods, but my favorite, and I know it sounds old school, but cold email. It works. Seriously, I've tried other ways, but 90% of my clients came from emailing companies who've never heard of me. You can use my outreach template as a reference, just don't copy it word for word, please. Basically, you compliment them, explain why your AI ads are valuable, link to your spec ad or another ad, then offer to send a free ad concept. Why free concept? Rather than asking for a discovery call or pitching your service right away, it's better to offer something free. An easy yes is exactly what you need from a cold prospect. I've rewritten my outreach email many times, but nothing beats this formula. Maybe some of you have better ways, I don't know, but this worked for me. Many of them won't reply, but when they do, it's usually something like, "What's your pricing?" or "Sure, send it over." Remember, you only create the concept once they ask, so you avoid wasting time. An ad concept takes about an hour to make, so you can't make one for everyone. So an ad concept looks like this. A short summary of what happens in the ad, 2 to 4 lines, the tagline, the visual style, described in words or shown through visuals. The other method, and I'll be honest, I'm not great at this, is DMing on socials. You basically message people directly on LinkedIn, X, Facebook, or what have you. Target brand managers or marketing heads, decision makers only. Keep it short, personal, and straight to the point. Basically, a condensed version of your cold email. For your first project, don't charge less than $300. Shoot for $500 to $1,000 if you can. Charging low is basically telling them you're unsure or that you're unreliable. I learned this the hard way. Once you've been paid, the sky's the limit. Ask for a testimonial right away and use that project as a case study to pitch more clients. You may also take a bit of that money and hire someone on Fiverr to make a clean one-pager website for around $50. It doesn't have to look fancy. Just show your video, contact info, and social proof. This will be your foundation for landing bigger clients and charging more. Now, if you want to learn how to make the type of AI ads I just talked about in this video, be sure to click here.
One day